Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be talking about Cosrx. I have two products that I recently picked up and now I'm ready to review them with all of you. So I'm really excited to be introducing some more Korean skincare videos on my channel, and this is just the beginning. I promise that I'm going to have a lot more Korean skincare videos coming your way, and it's going to be sooner than later. So stay tuned. But before we get into it, if you could please like this video, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. By doing so, you will always be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I do upload videos every single week. Alright, so let's talk Cosrx. So the first product that I'm going to be reviewing first is the Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask. Now this has been on my radar for quite some time. I wish that I would have picked this up back when winter first started in November, because this would have been a great product to have had all winter long. But this is going to be a great product for all year round. So it doesn't matter if you're using this in the summertime or the dead of winter, or it doesn't matter what skin type you have. This will be great for all year round and for all skin types. Now this does say an overnight mask, but don't be fooled. This actually can be used as a moisturizer. It's that lightweight, it's not greasy or heavy, and I've actually been using this occasionally through the week as a moisturizer. So not only can you use this at nighttime, but you can also use this in the morning underneath your sunscreen and your makeup. Now this is a great product to add more hydration and moisture into your skin. So if you have dry skin, you're feeling really tight, this will be a great product to incorporate. Now you don't have to use this every day. You can just use this whenever you feel like it. I've actually been using this a couple of days a week whenever I'm noticing that my skin feels a little bit tight and dry, and this has been a lifesaver. Now this is also a great product if you're experiencing any irritation and sensitivities, whether it's from active ingredients or from anything else that you're going through. This will be a great product to help calm your skin right down. The first ingredient is rice extract. This actually has more than 68% rice extract that is formulated in this product. So this ingredient is going to help nourish your skin, give you more hydration, and give you that nice, plump, juicy, youthful look to your skin. And I kid you not, your skin looks absolutely incredible when you apply this to your face. It just looks instantly juicier, plumper, and more hydrated. And of course, I am all for that. This also has glycerin, sunflower seed oil, niacinamide, and the list goes on. This is also cruelty-free, and there's no denatured alcohol or fragrance in here. So you can use this product several different ways. You can use it by itself as an overnight mask. You can use this as your moisturizer, or you can apply this before your moisturizer and double it up to give you more hydration. I would recommend doing that if you're really dry, you feel tight, and you're really flaky. That combination will be excellent to boost your skin with hydration. You can use this in the morning, like I said, before your sunscreen and before your makeup. I've done that several times, and I really love the results that I see when I use this in the morning. I've never experienced pilling with using this, but keep in mind, the more layers that you have in a skincare routine, your chances of experiencing pilling in general are a lot higher. So you still could experience pilling if you have too many layers. But when you're using this, cut down on some of your products and you should be completely fine. So I will show you what this looks like on the back of my hand. It's a very lightweight moisturizer mask, and that's why you can use this any time of the day because of how lightweight it is. So as you can see, it just looks like your typical moisturizer, and when you spread this across the skin, you can see how thin and lightweight this is. It spreads really nicely, so a little bit does go a long way, and your skin absorbs this really quickly, and it's not greasy. It just leaves that perfect sheen to your skin without that heavy, greasy feel. So I've really been enjoying this, and I highly recommend. And the other Cosrx product that I picked up is the Comfort Ceramide Cream. Now, I've been looking for a product like this for quite some time. Of course, some of the CeraVe products have ceramides in them, and you can find ceramide ingredients in a lot of products from other skincare brands as well. But I was looking for a product that offers more than just one type of ceramide. This one has 3 different types of ceramides. So ceramides are great to have in a skincare product to help with your skin's barrier. So if you have broken skin, you're experiencing a lot of dryness and irritation, then ceramides will really help to replenish your skin and repair your skin's barrier. And that is an important ingredient to have, especially if you're using acids, you're using a retinol, tretinoin, anything that is causing dryness. Ceramides are great to have in a skincare product. This also has Centella asiatica leaf water, which is actually the first ingredient. So this is great for all skin types, even sensitive and acne prone skin. So if you have any blemishes, cystic acne, this will be a great product to incorporate because this will actually help to calm down any inflammation and sensitivities from breakouts. And that's why I picked this up, because number 1, I do experience hormonal breakouts. Number 2, I experience a lot of dryness with tretinoin. So I wanted something that is going to help repair my skin's barrier, but also help to calm any acne that I may have currently going on. And it really does help to calm the skin and to give your skin more hydration. So this moisturizer is absolutely lovely. So this is a non-greasy formulation. You can use this in the morning as well as nighttime. I like to use this in the morning before my sunscreen and my makeup, of course, and I have used this several times at nighttime, even on top of my tretinoin or on nights that I'm using an acid. And it's just fabulous to keep your skin really comfortable and hydrated. As you can see, it has a nice thick texture to it, and this is definitely thicker than the spa mask that I just shared with you, but this one also feels very lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel heavy and sticky. It spreads across the skin really nicely as well. It will give you a nice dewy finish to the skin, so if that's not your thing, maybe don't use this in the morning. But if you do like that, then this is going to be honestly perfect for you to use morning and nighttime. And as you can see, it just leaves that beautiful, youthful glow to the skin. It does say to avoid the eye area. I'm not sure why, maybe because it's that rich hydrating cream where if you get it too close to your actual eye, it's possible that the cream can seep into your eye, which could cause a blurry vision, which I've experienced many times with different eye creams and moisturizers. So that might be the reason why they don't recommend it. But I do have to admit, I have placed this underneath my eyes. Just a little bit in this area whenever I'm experiencing a lot of dryness. And this has helped with the dryness, but it's up to you whether you want to do that or not. And there is a little bit of a scent to this. I'm not sure if it's coming from the Centella asiatica leaf water or if it's coming from the last ingredient, which is the bergamot fruit oil. But there is a very light scent to it. So I want to also mention that as well. So I'm quite pleased with this. I actually really love this moisturizer. I think this is going to be great for all year round, and I'm definitely happy that I bought this and the spa mask. These are 2 products that honestly I feel like my money was well spent. I am not disappointed in the least with either one of them, and it just makes me really excited to try some more products from Cosrx. So I will have more videos on this brand, and of course I will be sharing a lot of other Korean skincare brands as well, so make sure that you stay tuned. But let me know if you've tried these 2 products before, and I would love to hear your feedback, whether you like them or not, and what your favorite Cosrx products are. Also leave those below as well. So thank you so much for watching. I will have these 2 products linked in my description box, and I will see you all in my next video. So take care, and I will see you guys then. Bye guys.